Okay, this is question 6. Find the maximum value of x plus y if x and y fulfill this equation. Let fx to be x plus square root of 1 plus x. Then we can see that fx is always positive. It is clear that when x is positive, fx is positive. When x is negative, let's say negative a, this is square root of 1 plus a squared. It will be greater than negative a. So in general, fx is positive. If we take the f prime x, this will be equal to 1 plus 1 over 2 square root of 1 plus x squared times 2x. Then this is equal to 1 plus x over square root of 1 plus x squared, which is equal to x plus square root of 1 plus x squared over square root of 1 plus x squared. And since fx, this is fx, fx is positive, and the denominator is positive, so f prime is also positive. F prime positive, it will mean that f is an increasing function. So the graph of fx is something like this. When x equals to 0, it is equal to 1. And when x is big enough, square root of 1 plus x squared is close to x. So overall, fx is very close to 2x. So y equals to 2x is an asymptote. When x is negative infinity, then this is close to 0. So this is the graph. And the graph is keep increasing. This is just some extra information. Okay, back to this question. Because both of these terms have the similar form, that's why we let fx to be x plus square root of 1 plus x. And we find that this is an increasing function. If this is an increasing function, then f is a 1-1 function. 1-1 function means that fa equals to fb implies that a equals to b. We are going to use this property later on. Right here we have x plus square root of 1 plus x squared equals to 1 over y plus square root of 1 plus y squared. We can multiply this by the conjugate. So this is a plus b, a minus b. So we have a squared minus b squared. And this is y minus square root of 1 plus y squared. Y squared minus y squared cancel off, then this is negative 1. Negative 1 means that this will be negative y plus square root of 1 plus y squared. Now this can be written as negative y plus square root of 1 plus negative y squared. So we have the same form. On left hand side, it is equal to fx. On right hand side, this is actually equal to f negative y. Just now we say that f is an increasing function, and therefore f is a 1-1 function. So fx equals to f negative y implies that x equals to negative y. So x plus y is actually equals to 0. So x plus y is always equals to 0. The maximum value of x plus y will be certainly equals to 0. And therefore 0 is the answer for question 6.